Welcome to this deep dive session. Today, we're not discussing workouts or meal plans. We are discussing the science that controls your body. If you want true transformation, you must understand the biological rules that shape your energy, fat, muscle, metabolism, and mental performance. So let's break down your body in the simplest, most intelligent way possible. Part 1. How your body actually functions. In fitness, people usually talk about exercises and diets. But before anything else, you must understand how your body naturally works every second of the day. Your body is constantly trying to survive, balance, repair, and adapt. This system is called homeostasis. Every single organ and hormone in your body works together to keep you alive and functioning. Let's break it down. Your body gets energy from food, but it doesn't use food directly. Your stomach breaks food into chemical molecules. These chemicals are taken into the bloodstream and used by every cell to create energy, heat, movement, and repair. This entire fuel-burning process is called metabolism. People usually think metabolism is just how fast your body burns calories. But the truth is, metabolism is the engine of your entire life. It controls how awake you feel, how fast you lose fat, how easily you gain weight, how sharp your mind feels, and how strong your muscles become. If your metabolism is slow, your body becomes tired, heavy, lazy, and resistant to fat loss. If your metabolism is fast, your body becomes energetic, lean, and efficient. Part 2. The real science of fat loss. Fat loss is one of the most misunderstood topics in the world. Most people believe fat loss happens by eating very little, doing 2-hour workouts, taking fat burners, starving. But the human body does not work this way. Here's the truth. Your body stores fat when it has more energy than it needs. Your body burns fat when it has less energy than it needs. This is called an energy deficit, but the science behind it is much deeper. Fat is stored inside fat cells as triglycerides. These fat cells do not disappear, they shrink. To shrink them, your body must send a signal to break down the stored fat. That signal comes when insulin drops, body temperature increases, heart rate increases, oxygen usage increases, stress levels decrease, muscles demand more energy. Part 3. The real science of muscle growth. Muscle growth is equally misunderstood. Muscle is not built in the gym. Muscle is built when the body repairs itself after the gym. During strength training, tiny micro tears happen in muscle fibers. These tears send a powerful message to the brain. This muscle is too weak. We need to make it stronger for the future. Your body then sends amino acids to the damaged fibers, repairs them, thickens them, and increases their strength. This process is called hypertrophy, but this process only happens when protein intake is high, sleep is deep, stress is low, hydration is good, body gets enough rest between workouts. Without these elements, the body cannot build muscle, even if you train for hours. Muscle is the engine of the body. The more muscle you have, the faster your metabolism becomes. More muscle means more fat burned every day, even while sitting, talking, or sleeping. This is why people who strength train look younger, stronger, leaner, and more energetic. They have improved their cellular machinery from the inside out. Part 4. How your mind controls your body. This may surprise you, but the brain is the master controller of transformation. Your mind controls hunger, cravings, discipline, motivation, stress, sleep, and even your metabolism. Here's how. When you are stressed, your body releases cortisol. Cortisol blocks fat burning, increases cravings, and reduces muscle recovery. When you are mentally exhausted, your brain selects fast energy foods, sugars, junk, snacks. When you are emotionally drained, your body enters survival mode and refuses transformation. And when you are motivated, your nervous system activates higher performance levels, increases energy, and improves recovery. This is why transformation is 50% physical and 50% mental. If your mind is not aligned with your goals, your body will not change. Real transformation begins when you understand your body, You understand your emotions, you understand your habits, and you understand your internal chemistry. Because once you understand the science, you stop guessing and you start transforming. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here for the next one.